Welcome, here I've got VIVO Y20s and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change this by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. So here we have access to other modes of this camera. One of this is the slow motion mode, as you can see, so let's tap on this. Here we are. Now we can start recording this kind of video by using this big button here at the center, so let me start to show you how it works. Now stop by tapping again on this button, and let's move to the left corner at the bottom to this one. Here we have quick access to the gallery, and this is our video. Let's play it by tapping in the center. And as you can see, this is how the slow motion video looks like at this device. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.